Good morning everyone. Previously in environmental studies we have discussed about tilt maps. Okay, we have discussed about a map. As I told you, a map is a drawing which denotes the exact location of a place. Like sketch, map is a flat pictorial representation of a place. Okay, now as I told you, map is a drawing and a pictorial location of a place. It is a drawing, you can see. Okay, now it's a sketch also because it's a random drawing. I have not drawn the exact map over here. Okay, so the map is divided into 4 parts. For make it easier, I am saying that I am dividing this map into 4 parts. Okay, so I have divided into 4 parts. Now as you know that when we divide any direction, there will be north, south, west, east. Okay, so likewise we will make it west, east and north. Okay, so likewise we have divided a map randomly, okay, for your understanding. Now this is a northern part where it is Himachal Pradesh and Punjab, Chandigarh, that are such places. Okay, western parts Gujarat and this part is something different. Eastern part where it's Nagaland, Mizoram, Manipur is that, and the southern part Tamil Nadu, Telangana, all of that. Okay, now we are moving to types of map by which you will indicate the places. Okay, now what is types of map? Depending upon what maps represent, as I told you, this is the first line. Now this map is representing, I can make a map which is representing only northern areas. Northern areas means the starting from the top Jammu and Kashmir and moving downwards. Okay, I can make that map also. So depending upon what places we want the map. Okay, so it's a first line of types of map, that depending upon what maps represent, they are of 2 types. Okay, political and physical map. This is a political and this is a physical map. Now what is the difference between political and what is actually the political map? We will going across. A political map shows the boundaries of the state or countries. Now you can see the boundaries, that is this one. Okay, the political map is the boundaries and it is donating the boundaries of a state or of a country. Now this you can see this small part, this is Sri Lanka. Okay, now this is also neighboring country of India. So the boundaries of this places or states or countries, whichever map is indicating, that is called political map. Okay, now moving to physical map. A physical map shows various physical features such as landscape like desert, hills and mountain ranges, water bodies like seas and rivers. A physical map is also a relief map. Now as I told you, in political map it donates what? States and boundaries of states and the countries. Now if I am saying this space is Jammu and Kashmir, so in political maps this place is donating Jammu and Kashmir, okay, which is the northern part. Now moving to the physical map. Now in physical map, if leaving the Sri Lanka, these all are the what? Water bodies. It means water bodies means it's covered with water. Okay, the whole area covered with water, and it says that it shows various physical features such as landforms. Landforms means place. Okay, like desert, mountain ranges. Okay, these all are the Himalayan part above Jammu and Kashmir. These all are the Himalayan parts. Okay, so you can easily say that a physical map which is above the different from the map, or it exists outside the map. Okay, it's a map of India and the water bodies are existing like from you can see the Himalayas, it is existing like behalf of this map, I am saying that it is existing here only, okay, above from the map, okay, it's the outer part of a map, okay. After that we are coming to the downward, and these are the water bodies, okay. The physical map is donating this one, and as well as the mountain ranges, as well as the you can say water bodies, okay, seas, rivers, whatever it is, okay. So a physical map is a relief map, it is also called a relief map. Coming to the some maps displays information about population, temperature, soils, types, rainfall, etc. Such maps are thematic maps. Now what is thematic maps? Should I raise this direction, no? It's a thematic map. Okay, what is that? A thematic map. If this Jammu and Kashmir, I am taking the example, okay, this is a very cold region of India, okay, it's a very cold, like coldest region. So if there is an indicator which is indicating Jammu and Kashmir is a very coldest place, okay, so it is under thematic map. In this map you will come to see the temperature of the places, the you can see the soil types. Soils means in some places there are several types of soils like red soil, alluvial soil, okay. I can say black soil, there are so lighterate soil, okay, so many types of soil in every states, isn't it? So it indicates that types of soils, and the places which receives heavy rainfall, okay, it indicates those also, like in Assam you can see Assam which receives heavy rainfall, okay, Mizoram, Cherrapunji, these are the places of southern, it receives very heavy rainfall, so it indicates that. So every map is having their own work, okay, you can't do in single map everything. In political map you will indicate the boundaries of the state as well as the countries, understood? In physical map you will indicate the water bodies, okay, the rivers, the landform, not the landforms, the landforms, desert, mountain range, these things, okay. In thematic map you will say about the temperature, about the rainfall situations, about the soils types, about the population of that area, okay, you can do that much things, okay. By this we are completing types of map, because these are the 3 types of map, and the physical map is also called what? It's a relief map, okay, it's a relief map. So with that we are completing, and this whatever the place is leaving now, it's the outer part of the map, it's a water bodies, it's covered with water, so okay, and the landforms is inside the map, okay, it's like divided by the place, and these are the water bodies which is divided like it's Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, these all are the water bodies, okay. Thank you.